In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end, you'll have your workspaces connected so you can reference Notion content right inside ClickUp and streamline your workflow. Before we start, make sure you have active accounts in both tools and the right permissions in ClickUp to install integrations, as some organizations restrict who can connect apps. Begin by logging into ClickUp. Use the web app or desktop app, whichever you prefer. Confirm you're in the correct workspace where you want the integration enabled. You can verify this at the top of the interface and switch if needed. A stable internet connection helps avoid timeouts during setup. Next, open the More menu in ClickUp. This expands the interface to show options you won't see in the default view. Think of it as the place where advanced features and integrations live. If you don't see it at first glance, look for a menu or icon that reveals additional tools or settings. From there, choose More Apps. This opens the ClickUp Apps or Integrations directory, which is essentially a marketplace of connections you can enable. It's designed to be searchable and straightforward so you can find exactly what you need. In the directory, search for Notion. Type Notion into the search bar and select the official Notion integration from the results. You'll typically see a short description that confirms you're connecting the right app. Click Connect. A window will appear asking you to authorize ClickUp to access your Notion workspace. Sign into Notion if prompted, choose the Notion workspace you want to use, and grant the necessary permissions. You can limit access to specific pages or databases if you prefer, and you can adjust these permissions later in Notion's settings. Approve the connection to complete the setup. After authorization, return to ClickUp and look for a confirmation that Notion is now connected. If nothing changes, try refreshing the page. If the Connect button was disabled or you saw a permissions error, you may need an admin to enable integrations for your ClickUp workspace. If the authorization window didn't appear, temporarily disable any pop-up blockers and try again. That's it. You've connected ClickUp with Notion. From here, you can reference Notion pages in your ClickUp tasks, attach links where relevant, and keep context together. Remember that accessing ClickUp respects Notion's sharing settings, so teammates will only see what you've granted them in Notion. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more connected workflow.